What are you doing? It's after hours, and we're making a farmer's cocktail. It has watermelon and tomatoes.
The reason we were looking for a tomato drink is because all week we've been doing tomato recipes.
You want to take the first taste?
Yes, I do. Okay.
Is that good? So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell and join us trying out this cocktail. The farmer's cocktail.
So you're telling me it's watermelon, tomatoes,
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Kind of
and
weird.
lime?
Yeah. So we're just gonna kind of get into it, right? So we need 3 cubes of watermelon. So he's gonna go ahead and get that going for me.
Cube it up.
We've got a double strain drink and we need a muddler. So we're gonna add 3/4 ounces of simple syrup to our shaker. Let's go ahead and get that. And then we're also gonna add those 3 cubes, 1-inch cubes of watermelon.
1-inch-ish.
Yeah. We didn't say 4-inch cubes. We're just gonna muddle this with our simple syrup. Get it nice and squished and all the juices out of that watermelon. Yeah, that watermelon's good. I'm gonna steal a piece while I'm muddling.
That is a good watermelon. Tell you what, I can pick them. And to be honest, I'm not a huge watermelon fan, but I can pick good watermelons, and this one's actually really good.
It really is. I am a watermelon fan. I love watermelon. It's super good. But now we're just gonna add our 2 ounces of a wheated vodka.
Ooh.
And it does, this whiskey, well, vodka, not whiskey, actually does taste really good. It's pretty good.
Nice.
I tried it.
Changing it up instead of Tito's, we went with the wheat.
Yeah.
So that's fun. It's gonna be strong.
Yeah, we got 2 ounces of that. And set that to the side.
After you've been working on your fields, you come in for a drink.
Yeah, it's not one you want to have while you're working in the fields.
Get some crooked crop lines.
Yeah. And we've got 3/4 ounces of lime juice. So we've got a little bit of citrus in there.
Watermelons do make good drinks. I'm very interested about the tomato, how that's going to
Yeah, that's
balance. It's like you're putting the whole farm in the cup.
I know. I mean, it makes sense. It's called a farmer's cocktail.
Huh?
Now, was it because the farmer liked it, or was it because you got everything on the
That's
farm?
all he had.
That's the question.
All right, but
I'm just gonna add our lime juice in there, and the interesting ingredient,
fresh squeezed tomato juice.
fresh squeezed at that.
Now, I know we have little cherry tomatoes. I would recommend using a big tomato.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna use a lot of cherry tomatoes.
We tried the cherry tomatoes and we were like, what the heck? We got 2 drops out of this thing.
They're more for garnish.
That's crazy. Yeah, it was definitely more for fresh. So, we're also going to be adding 1/4 ounce of Campari.
Ooh.
So just a little bitter,
Just a little bit, maybe to balance off the sweetness and the acidic.
just a bitter bit. Sorry.
Yeah.
That
yes,
was-
you are.
Yeah, that one was rough. Okay, all we need now is some ice. So let's load some ice in this bad boy
All right.
and take this puppy to Shake Town.
All right. That sounds good to me.
Yeah. I don't know. It smells pretty good. I think it'll end up being pretty good. You know, farmers usually know what they're talking about when it comes to vegetables and
That's
fruits.
true. Hey,
So
they grow them. They know them.
they do. You hear that?
It's got some pressure behind it.
Yeah, it does.
Look, you're getting so good at opening those.
I know. And what better thing to serve this in than a mason jar?
That's right. I
That's so
like that.
cool.
That's fun.
Okay.
Did you need ice in your mason jar before?
Yeah, that would
Okay.
make sense, wouldn't it?
I should have been putting ice in it while he was shaking, but
Yeah.
I was
You
just
were-
standing around doing nothing.
Mesmerized by the shake.
I've been out in the field all day. I just wanted the drink.
That's right. Just
Hey,
so-
we got a plant.
yeah, we were farming.
Luckily, you haven't killed it yet.
Yeah, it hasn't died yet. Parsley over there, singing a different song.
He's partially alive.
Oh, I can't believe you beat me to it.
I know. Neither can I.
That's-
All right. Double strainer.
Yes, sir.
Don't trust me. Ooh, that's kind of a cool
Yeah.
color.
That is definitely like a watermelon drink color. That's cool.
This is kind of neat.
Now I'm gonna say that like kind of looks like it would be like a watermelon margarita.
Yeah, I'm kind of excited about it.
Whoops.
Hey, you got to make a mess.
So we need some tomato garnish. I'm gonna grab a little piece of parsley.
I was gonna say either that or how about watermelon? Grab a little twig of the basil.
Some basil? Okay.
Watermelon and basil.
Why not?
It's a fun thing.
Yeah.
Oh, we had little. There. Look at that.
That's so cool.
I like that.
Look at that. Do you wanna take the first taste?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now that basil garnish is gonna change the flavor because that's very aromatic.
Okay.
Is that good?
It is actually really good. I'm surprised.
Okay.
Pleasantly surprised. Well, the reason we were looking for a tomato drink is because all week we've been doing tomato recipes. Is it not good? Yeah.
Yeah.
It blows your effing mind. But we didn't want
How
to
does
do
it taste
a.
good? That's
What is it? A Bloody Mary.
like a Bloody
or
Mary, the typical tomato drink.
So, someone doesn't like tomatoes, get them to try this, and they probably won't even know there's tomatoes in it. Maybe you should make another one.
Wow.
Get to juicing those tomatoes.
Yeah, that's cool. I mean,
Oh,
wow.
that's really good. Hey, I like that. That is going to be. We're going to be making those in the summer.
Yeah, no, that really would be awesome. Come out from
It's
a
not
hot
too
day.
sweet.
No,
I think that Campari really balances out.
it does because you can tell like a little bit of that bitterness,
But it's so
but it's
balanced.
it
It's-
is
I don't.
very balanced. I mean,
I could be sipping on these by the lake all summer long.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
going to be a boat
Oh,
drink
really?
for us.
Yeah, it is.
That's right. Come join us on the boat, and we'll have a farmer's cocktail.
Wow, that's difficult to describe.
It's easy. It's delicious.
There you go. It's delicious.
Oh. All right. Well, you better get to making another one.
Yeah, well, we're gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna eat some more watermelon, and don't forget to drink responsibly.
Yeah. But you're only going to eat watermelon after you make the cocktail. We may not have enough watermelon for you to eat.
What?
I'm feeling thirsty.
You're feeling really thirsty. Man, that is so surprising.
That is. Don't drink too much.
Oh, we totally forgot the soda.
I know, but that's just kind of a topper. It didn't say to soda it. Oh, that's good. Leave it kind of like that. It gives it a good, cool.
Yeah, it's like a cool separation. I had my mouth full. I didn't really think that through.
That's fine.